Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you in Blender 3.6 how to render as a default word the Material Previw Viewport Shading. So now I'm going to show you, you can see it now in this Blender project. You check the Viewport Shading, the Material Preview. Now it is same at another side. This is what we call the render preview, the display render. So now how to make it the same between these two. By default, it is like this. By default, the material preview, it is different as the render. It render as some of the light just because of here there is a point light. So how to make sure your render is same as the material preview. So start from now, I'm going to show you step by step. So now I'm going to just create a fresh new Blender file, a new Blender project, Blender 3.6, and then now I'm waiting for the Blender to load in. This will be a fresh new project. So I'm going to import an FBX file as a sample. So first I'm going to press A to delete everything. Then I click File to import an FBX from my desktop, Model 02. Now, and next I'm going to turn on the texture. And what is this? This is what we call the material preview. But when you render, this is the effect on, if you render it, it is going to show you like this. So now, to make sure that the way you render, it is totally same as the preview. First, you have to just go to the render, then move your mouse cursor to here, then drag here out, click here to select the shader editor, then from the object, you change to the word. Then, at here, drag here out and type environment texture. Then next, click open, and then go to your Blender directory. For my case, where is my Blender? Blender 3.6, I right click it, open file location, then right click the shortcut, properties. This Blender 3.6, I install it in my computer, so the location will be at here. You can scroll down, go to my video description. I already show you the location. It is at here. See, Blender file, Blender Foundation, Blender 3.6, 3.6 data files, Studio Lights, Word. So now it is actually at here, 3.6, data file, Studio Lights, under the Word. Here, all that are at here, and what we are going to choose is the forest.exr. Forest.exr. We copy this location, then in Blender, just paste it at here to open. Then we choose the forest.exr, double click it. Then now you can see it load as the forest. And then next I'm going to show you, actually this is exactly the preview display. This is exactly the material preview. Both are the same now. And of course you can hide the background when you render. You just need to click here. Under the render, go to the film, and then the transparent, you take it. Then it is going to hide everything. So now you can see the render viewport, the render shading, it is totally same as the preview shading. So now I try to render an image at here. Click render the image. No camera file. Then I'm going to create a camera first. Just add a camera. Then G, Y, a camera view. G. Now I try to click render. Sorry. I click render an image. Now you can see it automatically render exactly same as the material preview. So if you render the video, it is also the same. So in this tutorial, I already successfully show you how to make sure that the render shading is totally same as the material preview. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharing, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharing, you will receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing. See you.